Okay, we got some of our button-ups over here at Harlem. Got to get door sweep for the door. This side got insulated above the door. The other side didn't get any insulation. The outside we're probably going to want to put a jam in because the painter's going to obviously go ahead and caulk all of this. But the outside we're going to end up having to put a jam in. But before we do, see we got big gaps in here. I want to shoot clear silicone, run it fine, and shoot in between all of this. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll rip down some AZEK and I guess put an AZEK jam in here. We want to pump this in here. There's no insulation. There's nothing to stop this. You can see daylight from the inside on a lot of these windows. You see the big gap. So we get that done on the inside there. We got some of the AZEK that's coming off down there. You see there? It's just, even if you got to glue it and nail it, we want that. But all the windows got to be done. These sills really, some of these sills have got to pitch back, which I'm disappointed in. They all should have had maybe a 1/4 inch or so pitch forward. That sill there has a pitch forward. This one has half a pitch forward, and then the rest of them go back. They're leading back into the building. And I think that far one's almost dead nuts level. But the painter will go ahead and take care of these cracks and everything, but we got to take care of the space in between the windows. Get that sealed off. You can see the big gap up there, and you can just feel air coming through all the way across the top. Okay. Back in here, you can actually just reach all the way up in here. I can reach in from inside out, but we're going to shoot the foam in there. Probably end up with some sort of trim. Probably this top sill could have actually been extended back to here, but we'll end up with another block that's going to go in there. Okay, see the big gap right in here. So, big old gap right here. We want to make sure these windows are sealed off. Painter will get all of this stuff here. Okay. That's what we got for that trim. We got to get our door handles for sure. You see the big, the gap in there. I think we can caulk that with no problem. These sills, we got to get. These sills are not stable yet, so we're gonna have to either fill it with either mortar or something underneath, and run ourselves some tap cons going in to control the sill there. We get a little bit of movement. Painter can caulk that. That's not a problem. Okay. We'll have the base molding to do. I'm gonna come up with a decision on the flooring here probably within the next week or so. We got to get these doors in here, get them up, get them marked what they are. Okay. This T111 is going to be going into we're going to be cutting that and putting that on the inside of the breezeway. We hide all the ugly brick or block in there and then get it out of the painter's way. I do want to run tile in the bathrooms. The 2 bathrooms are going to get tile put in them. So plan on that. I don't know, these are about 8 by 8 or let's see, 2, 4, 6 by 2, 4, 6, 8. They're both 6 by 8 according to the tiles. Okay. Okay, I think all of these are marked what's where. Yeah, good. Okay, let's go outside. My concrete guy's got to come back and cut that concrete. The painter's going to be getting this all painted red. We got to stabilize that, get these pipes, these conduits looking straight again. Okay. And when it's all said and done, I got some of that liquid concrete. We're going to go ahead and fill it right in through here so we don't have any water creeping in through there. We want it to all get out, diverted right out into this parking lot. Hopefully the parking lot gets filled in. We're going to a couple of gullies we got to fill in over there and some on the other side. And then he's going to coat this. Mailbox has to get, both mailboxes need to be mounted. So we got to make room, either utilize that one or maybe even just put it on the wood of the old window there, prime that and put it on there. Might make sense. Okay. Okay, we got to take this drain pipe somehow, either take and pierce some holes right in through here so that that's just ground drainage, and then cap off the rest of it, however we want to do it. We might want to keep it open in case we've got to be able to snake it, but either way that's got to get cut down to the concrete. That's a tripping hazard too, so that's got to be down. steel door gets painted. Got to make sure this is where we're going to be putting all the T111. We have to get a cap for this 12-inch by 12-inch concrete cap. We'll go ahead and put that T111 on this whole thing here, trim it out with some 1x. I don't think this is operable. We can get rid of this little box here. Okay. And then all this is all done and painted. Everybody's moved in here, so that's good to go. Let's go up and see how that laundry room's doing. Okay, we got the laundry moved, but no laundry yet. So we have to take and make a door for this. This has got to get doored off, and this has got to get doored off also. So we're going to make an access door into both of these, but all of this warm air, I want to segregate it from inside this room. Okay, that has to get done. I'm surprised it didn't just run a post up from the step there, but I guess that's okay. We got some shoe molding or something to go down on the side of these steps, and maybe paint these steps with some grip tack. We got to make sure that these openings are filled with insulation. Grab some insulation to fill those up for now. Matter of fact, I'll do that before I leave. All the hot water tanks and everything's working fine. I don't see a CO detector in here. I think we need to have one. I'm surprised there isn't one that's permanently mounted, but we got to get one to plug in here. Maybe plug it in over in one of these plugs. I don't know, we could check with code, but I think that railing might be about 10 inches too high. And I got to reach way up to grab this. Once I take my first step down, I'm really like high. I think this railing's probably going to have to be down around close to this height, would be my guess. Yes, same thing here. No. Everything else is cool. This is stable. We're good here.
Hey, we got a bunch of paint.
Check to see. I don't know if we need some down drops on these heating things. I don't know if I thought we did, but we'll check to confirm that.